itchy, not poisonous, ain't gonna kill you. But this is the trail so far. Now, I'd like to show you where we came from up there, but as you can tell, it disappeared. The route that I thought we were gonna take, obviously in the mountains, you don't ever take that route. We went, I'd say a good eighth of a mile off from where we were looking at to the left, and then we had to come back. Now we're coming back, and now we're down this beautiful trail of all this poison oak and oak. Alright, so be careful when you're coming down this way, alright? So I'm going to kind of show you where we're at now. You got to remember also when you're in the clearing, the degree in temperature goes up quite a bit. So it's pretty smoky in here as opposed to in the side sunshade. Right there, oops, get this right here. Right there is where we were just about 20 minutes ago. We just had to come on this way, behind that hill, come back down this way, and all the way over there, and then we had to come back this way. And that's the trail. So be prepared for long hikes. Alright, we just had to climb another hill, coming out of that beautiful scenery. And now we got to go back down another hill. That's probably what they call this arduous and strenuous to a hike. It looks like from here, the falls are wet. But we'll have to wait and see till I get there. I'm hoping they are. I could take a nice dip. Onward ho! Woo! We ain't even there yet. I still got a half mile to go. Alright, when you get to this part, which is fairly still going downhill, you need to be careful. See all this dirt? It's loose. You can slip easily, so make sure you get your foothold before you go stomping down there. I had to slow down a little bit because I slipped. So we're good to go. Alright, be careful. Alright. We still got a ways to go down that hill. But from the looks of it, we're in the better part of it. I'm going to tell you this one thing though. If you're not fit, I don't suggest doing it. If you're not a physical person, take your time if you want to do it. Just take your very time. You're going to take time. Alright, I'm traveling at about 4 or 5 click an hour on foot. So I'm doing pretty good. So I'm already here almost within a half hour, 45 minutes. So I've done it at a good click. That's two miles in, all right? So just be careful, all right? All right, the last 16th miles down in the basin of this place, I come to the rope that they're always talking about. So you got to transverse the rope. Not hard. I brought the rope just in case this was gone. All right. So it's really not even. You can probably even use the bricks if you watch your step. It all depends on you how you want to do it. I'm gonna use the rope just to do it. All right. All right. I use the rope. My suggestion is be careful, dude. You gotta watch your feet. Almost dumped it. All right. I don't know if you guys can see that. See? You gotta watch out for wildlife out here. It's not real dangerous to you. If it bites you, it's gonna hurt. So, what you need to do is just be careful. Watch your step. Not step on them or let them step on you. Almost there. Woo, my battery's almost dead. Damn, this sucks. Alright. Alright. If you come up on the left-hand side of the falls, you're going to cross over. So if you're down at the bottom trying to get across to the right side while you're at the lower part, or you're going to be doing bouldering to get over here. Three Sisters Falls. What a disappointment. It's got to be better in the winter. Time to do it in the winter then. I was going to take a dip, but that's dangerous, all that algae in there. Algae means this water's pretty much stagnant. This is up a little bit higher than the other one. But there's the other one. This looks a lot better. So I'm gonna take a dip in. Just to give you an idea where we're at, I'm at the top of Three Sisters Falls, and that's where we started. Long way back uphill, huh? Gotta be ready for it. After I swim here for about a half hour, get all cooled down, it's back to the grind. All right, look, I'm about halfway back up, and I had to stop 3 times. I consider myself semi pretty good in shape. I'm gonna tell you right now, it's about 110 on the floor of this valley. Hot, extremely hot. I've already burned through a quart of my electrolyte. That's a lot. I'm real tired. I got about a mile left to go. So I'm telling you, if you are not physically fit, do not come on this trip. Finally, to the top. That's a hill going down. I'm finally up here. I'm more bushed. Woo! Long hike, dudes. Long hike. Woo. All right. As you can see, I'm back. Back home. It was a fun trip. Great trip. Would I do it again? Nah, probably not. Well, it was beautiful. It's better to go with people than to go alone. The hike going back is really strenuous. Dude, it's strenuous. The heat was killer. So you want to go during spring or winter. Problem is, the water's cold. Already in the middle of summer it's cold. So could you imagine when it's winter? It's colder. So, but it was fun. Don't get me wrong. Hard time coming back up. 110 degrees is just kicking my butt. I mean, I was just like tossed. So, for my achievement, time for the good old attaboy. You guys have a good day now, all right? If you want to try it, let me know.